This is a Cobra Daytona Type 65 coupe. It's a replica made by Factory 5 Racing. They made it in the year 2005. Beautiful car. They evidently still are doing replicas, as a trip to their website indicates that they have had, I think, 3 revisions of this replica. So I'm not sure in 2005 what version this was, but this is I know some had 351 cubic inch V8 and Tremec 5-speed manual transmission. Whether this is what this has, I don't know. Here's the identification tag. This beautiful car, and again, if you can't have the original, which is a little bit in short supply, you might look into something like this. It's pretty neat. This was at the Silver Springs show, and that was way back some time ago, but I hadn't put it up on YouTube. And the Silver Springs Ford show is not happening anymore. And that happened maybe about a year and a half ago. No more Silver Springs Ford shows. Too bad. But I've got quite a few videos from that show that I haven't put up, so we can experience them now. Evidently has air conditioning. I think that's the box that blows the cold air into the interior.
Yeah, Dave was very nice to me.
That's like telescopic stuff.
Yeah. So much better than my other camera too. Like a night and day difference.
The finish is beautiful on this car. Nice wheels. I'm hoping that some of my viewers might know in 2005 exactly what the specifications were.